Turning off network alert notifications on a Galaxy S24 helps reduce unnecessary interruptions and streamlines your device's notification system. Here's how to do it. First, tap the home key to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and select Notifications. Tap on App Notifications. Next, tap on the More button or the three dots in the top corner. From the pop-up menu, select Show System Apps. Scroll down and tap on Android System. Then tap on Notification Categories. Scroll down until you find Network Alerts. Tap on the toggle button next to Network Alerts to turn it off. Alternatively, you can tap on the Network Alerts itself. Here you can also switch it on or off by tapping the toggle button at the top. If you prefer to keep it on but want silent notifications, you can choose Silent under the sound options. After making your changes, tap the back key to return to settings or tap the home key to go back to the home screen. That's how you turn off network alert notifications on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.